sounds like 100 Civics. Kanjo racing. First break. Whoa, that is so close. Wow. that's not fast forwarded. Look at him smiling. Look at him smiling. There's the R32 GTR. Look at the fire. Oh my god, he's blown something up. Right guys, we are going to be reacting to crazy street racing in Malaysia against Japan. Now, one of the videos in Japan I watched when I was less than 10 years old, and I ain't watched it since, but it's what got me started into, you know, JDM cars itself. I just thought, let's just react to it and you guys react to it with me. Let's start off with the Malaysia street racing videos. Yeah, see Civics. Don't know what car that is right there. Wow, the roads are so much more bigger. There's that Evo. Miller's oil. Crazy. We're building an Evo as well. This is a good inspiration for us. Oh, what like? I love the way it sounds, you know. That dumb valve. Whoa. They know how to drive, they do. Look at the way they use every inch of the road. The hardly press brake. Whoa, that is so close. It literally touched his bumper. It's sick. They're living the life. I mean, I don't condone street racing, but this is crazy. You know, I get more of a thrill watching than I'm actually racing, like if I'm on the road. Wow, that Evo. Them Civics are fast. Do you know what I mean? These Evos are not slow. The Civics are giving the Evo a hard time. Wow, look at that exhaust puffing. Wow, I don't know, the side of the lane. My god, these roads are crazy in Malaysia. The amount of smoke coming out of that Evo. Look at that fire coming out. Love it, love it. This is JDM's finest. Love it. I love a car. That's proper pops and bangs, by the way, not BMWs and STs. That smoke is the Evo overfueling. Must have a crazy map on there. Very rich. Look at this. This sounds like 100 Civics. Kanjo racing. We have Hondas. We ain't done the Evo yet. This is motivation. This is. You got a taxi driver? He's probably thinking like, yo, how do I get one of those? It's so close to the barrier as well. The Evo's got a wide arch kit, and you can see that it's got spaces. Love it. I think the guy driving that's filming the videos in the Evo as well. Whoa, gapping. How did they judge the like going in and out of traffic like that? Barely pressing brakes, and it's so close to the barrier. Guys, this is nuts. Love the flame and the exhaust. The way they turn, it's so sharp. Wow, how he hasn't hit that barrier, I don't know. Well, that thing come out the bottom of the exhaust, the part. That flame is staying on the car like a rocket. Whoa. He's overtaking. That's it, king of the road. There's still more Civics. Wow. Position. This is driving like at its finest. Yo, how's he gonna get through them? Excuse me. Gotta get by. This is literally right by his bumper. I bet the bumper tapped so many times. There's zero lag on these cars, you know. The way the turbo's spooling up. Crazy. Not only do they know how to drive, let's just quickly head down to the comments, see what people have said. This thing popped up after like 11 years. If anyone's here, 2026, let me know. 2026? Yep, I'm here. We'll like that. No intro, no opening, no vlogging, no talking, just video about driving. I have to agree with that. these guys are still driving more safely than half the people I see on my morning commute. That I can agree with. For my morning videos, it's so true. My heart stopped for a second. 051. Let's see. Yeah, that definitely living life fast. These guys are living the dream, in my opinion. I agree, Ricky. That was crazy. Right, now we're gonna move it on to the Japanese racing, because I thought this is a video that I watched when I was very young, and to this day now it gives me goosebumps. So I've never watched it since then, so we're gonna watch it together, and I feel like it's gonna be crazy. So we're gonna jump straight to the next clip. This is in Tokyo, Japan, aka Wangan Racing. If you don't know what that is, we're gonna find out now. Ever since I was a kid, like, it's always been like, wow, like these guys know how to race. So we're gonna jump on it right now. R32 GTR, that is. Godzilla. RX-7. It's like British weather, that is. See that Japanese sign there? That's Wangan. This is the highway. This is where they do top speed runs. Here's in the Skyline R32, so let's see, Rotary versus RB, let's go. It's got a camera on the passenger, yeah, doesn't it? That camera is so stuck, like mounted on proper. Whoa! Whoa! That's not fast forwarded. That's not fast forwarded, look. He is going so fast. God, look at that, look. I think I just seen 300 and something kilometers. That's not fast forwarded. Oh my, they're definitely going over 200 miles per hour. 1000%. Living life on the edge. Just beat the RX-7. That was crazy. Don't know what they're saying, but they're casually talking about it. There's the driver. It's an RX-7, isn't it? Look at that for getting through the next road. I think in the UK we have that, don't we? Definitely blurred the plates back then. This video was taken in 1999, by the way. You see that come off? Definitely keep that on. Tomei is the exhaust brand. Tomei exhaust. They're so expensive now. They're so casual about it. Just in the UK, we'll be like, yeah, let's give it, go on. Look at this. Boom. I believe that's the RX-7. Look at the turbo spiel. This was in the 90s. Completely different to now. I think it's a top speed. It may not look fast there, but that's it. That's how fast they're going. Look at him smiling. Look at him smiling. There's the R32 GTR. Look at the fire. Oh my god, he's blown something up. RIP Skyline. I wish I could understand what they're saying. It's parked up now. Definitely blowing an engine. What's going on? Let me skip it. It's going over to the Skyline. Wow. He's definitely blown the engine up. Look at the smoke coming out. The police! Hide the camera, bro. Hide the camera. Oh, they're towing it away. Oh no, wait. So the police didn't say. The police didn't do anything. Look at the smoke. I'll rewind that again. Look at that amount of smoke coming out. It's gone, and they're getting towed away. The police probably said, "Okay, get home now." Look at them smiling. Look at the guy smiling. Look at him smiling. Like it's all fun, you know. That was me. I'd be crying.
ぐらいできちゃったからね。いつもはもう10本ぐらい続けて走るんだけど。
10本
I don't know what they're saying,
バファラ
guys.
10本って
But he's happy though.
それは余裕だから。もうこれも来月今月の終わりぐらいにはもうまた全開で上がるんで。
But that is crazy. I just felt like that twin turbo or single turbo is hard to tell. I know back in them days they used to have like a company called Top Secret, aka Smoking Nagata. We used to do a reaction video on that where he built the Skylines over 1,000 brake horsepower and specifically made to do over 200 miles per hour with ease and stay at that miles per hour down the Wangan highway racing. And you know there'll be no issues, and there'll always be like a team in Japan where like a membership club that only 200 plus miles per hour. If your car can do 200 plus, you're part of the club, the Wangan Street Racing Club. They were built way before their time. They're the only JDM Sashi cars that can handle 200 miles per hour with ease. So that was a crazy reaction. What would you guys choose, the Evo and the Civics or the Skylines doing 200 miles per hour? Let me know. All right, let's head over to the comment section on this. Having an RX-7 in the 90s must have made people feel like gods. I don't understand anything what they say, but still, this is better than the new Fast and Furious movies. Hands down, facts. He said, whatever, I have tons of engines lying around. I'll have a new one in by the end of next week. True, because now, you can't do that now in the UK, no way. I like how these guys have to drive over 200 miles per hour and say, oh, still slow, 1000%. This makes me sad because this sort of stuff is never going to happen again. It's not going to happen, or shall we make it happen? Absolutely nostalgic. So now this is the first ever reaction video of these videos that I watched when I was a kid, and it inspired me to buy JDM cars. So if you're new, subscribe, drop a comment down below, smash the like button, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.